All right, let me give you a quick demo. So I come over here to the computer. I have my color mode on black and white and change my processing method to facing pages. Now I am just using this book for the demonstration. I turn to a facing pages page, grab my finger cots. I place them on the book so that just the yellow is on the page and the pattern is on these outer pages here. Press them down, and I want to ensure that the orange dotted line on the computer scan is right down the middle of the book spine. Place my thumbs on, hold it there, come down here to my foot pedal and take the scan just like that. They pop right up on the screen there for you in separate pages. If you're looking for a book scanner that gives you a clean, crisp image every single time and has smart technology that does the work for you, the CZUR book scanner is definitely for you.